Welcome everyone back with another video. Investing with fours. Today we're gonna do a portfolio update. It is now Hump Day Wednesday. My account is still kind of pretty breaking even, still around $2,800, a little bit over $2,800 and $13.56. Trying to close the week out pretty decent. I'm actually looking to do a few buys this week, and we're gonna go over and take a look at some of the things I'm going to be buying and or adding to this week. So I'm going to be adding more to bunk. I remember I bought a little bit here. I bought about $50 um, past couple of weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and add more, and I'm going to keep this dollar cost averaging into this play. This is a meme coin. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is be just to get the portfolio up and going. I consider this a blue chip meme coin, and you see I'm down to the return of 16%, but that was due because we had all that tariff BS going on, and we actually still got some things going on with that too as well. But this is the time to really take the opportunity to buy, get back in. I actually made a lot of money on Bonk before. I bought it real low, so I'm actually buying back again on Robinhood and see what kind of gains I can make on Robinhood. Since I consider this a blue chip meme coin, and I also added another blue chip meme coin, and I actually kind of been swing trading this one, but I'm gonna do this one more as a long term. But these are both gonna be kind of mid, long term, short term hold meme coins, but I just had to rebuy this one. That is Pepe, and I bought a little bit more. And you can see I'm kind of tracking both of these because I'm splitting both of these in half. I'm putting $50 in every 2 weeks, so it's going directly into both of these. It's pretty much like $10 a day. Just challenge it. I changed my mind on the challenge that I was going to put my money into Solana instead, so I actually went along and went with the Pepe instead. So I think I could make more gains with these two meme coins. These are both considered, blue chips, and I just want to track both of these and see how they both. And you see they both are down almost exactly, and this one's at almost 19%, so they almost down about the same. Um, and I just want to see how both of these do in this portfolio. And actually, matter of fact, since we're here, let's just take a look at the past week to see how they've been doing. It's been pretty ugly. It was actually down almost 19% for the week. In the past month, down 30%. So these meme coins and crypto is very, very, very risky unless you get into some good, serious blue chips like um, you know Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP. Those are the big dogs, and Solana and the ones everybody talk about. Those are pretty much safe, but these ones here, even though they still pretty risky. So, and then the past 3 months, that was actually down 38%. That's a nice big dip. Past year down 30%. So you can see them buying these at a great dip, but look at the past 5 years, up 36,000%. That's insane. And as a matter of fact, since I'm showing you that, let's go back and look at Bonk and see um, what they've been doing for the past week as well. Since we're here, Bonk was down also. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be about the same. Down 18% in the past month. Down over 30%. In the past 3 months, down 40%. In the past year, they down negative 30%. In the past year, not as much as Pepe, but it's still a nice game past 5 years, 890%. So this is going to be very interesting to see how these two do in this portfolio. I think I'm catching them on great dips to buy right now. My goal is to get $1,000 in market value and see where we at from that point. And it's going to take a little time, so hopefully have it all done before the end of this year and see where we at. I might have to increase my buying power or my recurring buys. Well, I'll figure it out. We'll see what happens. But those are the two cryptos I'm gonna be focused on for this week. And of course, I'm actually gonna be looking to add more to ticker symbol ULTY. I think this will be a great dip to buy and more. Trade around $5.37. And you see, I have over 205 shares now. I still got an average cost of $5.97. I'm down pretty big on this one too. Down 10%. Portfolio is up over, almost 40% of the portfolio. So I'm gonna be adding more. Probably gonna buy $100 worth and just see where that gets me. Because I like the dividend payout on this thing. This is just really an income strategy ETF for me. So it's just gonna continue to pay me dividends. I'm okay with that. If it just goes down, a little bit, I'm still okay. I'm just gonna keep buying. It's just my opinion, not final advice. Just please make sure you do your own research and that's what I'm playing with. Ticker symbol ULTY. My next buy, I'm still debating, but I'm looking to buy more TSYY. I really want to build this position out, and it's trading around $7.77. And I bought in. Look at this, $8.73. So I'm down almost 20%. So I really got to start averaging down on this play, and try to buy at a cheaper cost basis. And I like this one too. It's a good rate dividend weekly payer, and this one pays out on Tuesday. With ticker symbol ULTY pays out on Fridays, and I want to add more. You see, I got payout. It should be in my account. It was gonna be recurring, $4.40. So I will be buying more, hopefully, or I'm actually looking at quantum computing. I actually really want to buy more of this stock here. Buy it slow. And then you see I'm still up even with the market down. You see I bought an average cost $18 and it's still running up over 24%. So I might see if I can catch this one a little bit more in the red. I want to get this one under 20 bucks, but I'm actually eyeing this one too for this week. So I'm kind of up in there with quantum computing and a penny stock too that I'm actually looking to add more to. And I really want to add more to this one. That's Ovid Therapeutics. And I got 66 shares. It's my penny stock play. And you see my total return up over 3%. And you see our average cost of $1.60. And you see it's now $1.71. Let's just take a look at a week been doing up over 5%. The past month, up over 34%. Past 3 months, over 327%. And the year to date, 80%. And the past year, up over 52%. It's performed pretty well. Past 5 years, been down 7%. And then the max off time down 87%. So this thing was almost a high. It looked like it was up over 13 bucks once before. So I'm actually looking to either buy more. I'm still going to be fighting between a few of these. I might just kind of break it up, whatever I have left, and put into 3 of these plays. Probably put into my penny stock there, TSYY, and QUBTs. It's really tough. And then I have others too that I'm looking that I would like to add more to, and especially YBTC. I really like this one, and I don't plan on selling this one. I want to add more shares. I think this is a great buying opportunity, $40.32. And you see I bought in at $42.43. And now I'm finally down on this play, almost 5%. And I was up for a while, so I think this will be a great time to buy in. So I actually got a few plays that I'm looking at to add more this week to get this portfolio back in order. So those are the kind of plays I'm looking at for the week, and looking to buy in more and add more shares. I got a few other plays I'm actually going to take a look at too that I would like to get into as well. Is of course LIV, ticker symbol LFFT. I really want to add this one to the portfolio and see where it goes. And just I might just keep this one in my individual and to see if I want to add it over to the traditional ROA, which I want to start building this one back out too as well, and see what we can do in both of these portfolios. And I have another portfolio that I'm actually going to start working on at the beginning of the year and kind of mix it up a little bit and see what I want to add and get in that portfolio too as well. So that is what I'm will be planning on doing for this week. I actually probably be buying tomorrow. So comment down below any things you would like me to take a look at, talk about, or look into. We talk about crypto stocks investing, all things investing on this channel. And we just all trying to make money and change our lives and make a better future. So we don't have to work, get out of the 9 to 5. So comment on, let me know what you think. Please make sure you check out some of the links below. And everybody have a good one. I'm out. Peace.